Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the 2018 Kylie Cosmetics holiday collection again. If you guys didn't see my last video, make sure you guys go check it out. I did a makeup look and I swatched and reviewed all the products in this year's collection. So I just wanted to make another makeup look using these products because obviously I couldn't use all of them in one video. I just wanted to try more of these products out for you guys. So let's get started. So I'm just going to start out by using the perfecting powder that looks like this because I already have on my foundation and concealer and my eyebrows. So I'm just going to start off from here. I love this powder. It's super matte and it leaves a nice finish. Now I'm going into the blush, which is in the shade Winter Kissed. Looks like this. As I said in my last video, I think this is such a pretty shade of blush. I also did apply some bronzer after my powder as well. I'm going to go back to highlighter later after I do the eyes, and I'm just going to use the Chill Baby eyeshadow palette that looks like this. First I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer to my lids so that we have a base. So I'm going to apply the shade Cuddle Season right into my crease, and now I'm going into the shade Make Magic and blending that right in. So I just zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. And now I'm going into the shade Just Chill. I'm just layering all these matte shades into my crease and really deepening them up. And now I'm going into the shade Bundle Up, which is a red burgundy shade. And then I'm also adding a little bit of the shade Hello Winter just to deepen things up. Going back in with my concealer on a brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease, cutting it all the way across to the end. Going into the cream eyeshadow in the shade Sleigh Bells, which is the gold cream eyeshadow from the collection, and I'm using a brush. Applying this just to the inner quarter of my lids. Actually going to also go in with my finger and apply it again just to really pick up some extra gold and pigmentation. I'm also using the shade Northern Lights, another cream eyeshadow, just applying this to the rest of my lids. Using a brush again and just to apply to this outer part here. And now to set these cream eyeshadows, I'm going into the shade Pray for Snow, which is a gold metallic eyeshadow. And I'm just applying that right over top. You can see that's super pigmented, and it also helps that we have a cream base underneath. And then I'm going into the shade Home Alone, and then right next to it. Now I'm just applying some of the shade Jingle Baby just to the center of my lids to add more of a highlight. I'm just going to add some winged liner. Now I'm going back into the shade Bundle Up, and I'm just applying that to my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes. So I also just applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and now I'm going to use the Snow Angel highlighter, which is the pressed highlighter from the collection. And I just want to apply a little bit of this as highlighter to my eyes. So I'm using a small eyeshadow brush and applying this to my inner corners. So applying this to my brow bone. I'm using the same highlighter for my actual highlight, because look at that, that is amazing. Wow. I really hope that this highlighter is picking up on camera because this highlighter is amazing. It's like, you want to get one thing from this collection, get this highlighter because it is amazing. And just to finish off the look, I want to use the Kylie Lipkit from the collection as well. And it's in the shade Kissmas, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to line my lips. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe is right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video, which was me reviewing this entire collection and swatching pretty much every lipstick color and a lot of these different products and highlighters, so definitely go check it out if you haven't already. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. I definitely like this collection, as you guys already know, and I am super impressed with that highlighter, so definitely check that product out if you guys didn't get it, if you're looking for a good highlighter. And yeah, so that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!